What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another headband wig review and install. So I was given some more hair by Benafee Hair. They gave me a curly wig this time. So if you want to see what it looks like, make sure you stay tuned. All right, so we got some more Benafee Hair. This is a 22-inch in the color 1B and 30, and it's curly hair. So 3 headbands. I came in this one, multicolor. Some flowers on it. I think they're super cute. So, and then the hair. Okay, so let's get into this. So right off the bat, I could tell this wig needs a little TLC straight out the neck. That's okay, because I wasn't just gonna throw it on and go anyway. I was gonna fix it a little bit. But just like before, it came with the headband already attached, comb at the top, 2 combs in the side, 1 comb in the back. I went ahead and gave this wig a little TLC. I had to like spray it down a little bit. I got my mousse. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Already have my edges slicked. Stick this comb in the back. Strap this Velcro. Right, and she is on. I like it. I like the length. I'm liking a little bit of pop of color. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. It's 22 inches. I feel like it's definitely true to length. It's thick throughout the hair, even down to the ends. Go ahead and turn around for you, give you the twirl. Hold up. I do not have this one on. Hold on, you guys. Listen. Let me find out that I'm twirling around and this wig pop off in public. Okay, she is secure. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go, honey. Okay, just a little twirl for the girls. So yeah, it's cute. Oh my gosh, the curls are so cute. But yeah, it's super cute. I like it. I really do. And I'll go ahead and put some of this one in. Some of my foam. And yeah. But just for the purposes of the video, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a headband so you can see. Okay, okay. So yeah, she is ready, honey. All right, so what style do you guys want to see? The half up, half down? Okay. Grab my pony. Oh my gosh. Dude, I am in love with this wig. My ponytail sucks, okay? All right, so this is my attempt at a half up, half down pony. This is how it would look. Or you can go ahead and do a half up, half down bun and leave the rest down. Or you can go ahead and wear it back in a ponytail. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. What? I love the color. Let's look at this color. The curl pattern is super pretty, especially when it's wet. Gives you that wet and wavy look. Honestly, it reminds me of wanting to be on the beach. So, super cute, I like it. As far as the quality, only time will tell. I will go ahead and wash this hair like I said, shampoo it, deep condition it, let it dry overnight, pop it on tomorrow and see what we're working with. And if I have any problems with this hair, I will definitely come back and let you guys know. But right now, it's really pretty. I like it. All right, guys, welcome back. So it's day 2. I went ahead and washed, conditioned, put some leave-in conditioner and some mousse in this wig, let it sit overnight, and it definitely brought it back to life. The curls are beautiful, the hair's soft, bouncy. It looks so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on, probably add just a little bit more mousse, and yeah, we'll be good to go. Look at these curls. Secure these clips this time. I think we got it. Oh, look, it's so soft and pretty. I love how the curls are like bigger today. This is huge, huge big curls. I don't know how I'm wearing it today, but I feel like this is cute for now. So guys, I'm super excited. I love the wig, it's so pretty. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss a updated video on how this hair held up after like a month. I'll probably do like a month update. All right guys, thanks for watching.